Good morning, children. How are you? Say, I am fine. Thank you. Okay, what we are going to learn today, do you know? Today, we are going to learn craft activity. Okay, what we are going to make, do you know? We are going to make frog. What is this? Frog. In rainy season, what we are see? Okay, हमें क्या देखने को मिलता है रेनी सीजन में? फ्रॉग. टर टर. फ्रॉग साउंड्स टर टर. So beautiful frog. We are going to make this type of frog. So are you all excited? Look at here carefully. और आपको घर पे ऐसा फ्रॉग बनाना है और फोटो क्लिक करके टीचर को भेजना है. ओके, सो स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, we have to draw a standing line. What we have to draw? For that, I will fold the paper and cut. Okay, you can use scale also. I will fold the paper and cut this paper like this. Okay, look at here rectangle shape. Now I have to cut one more paper strips. We will cut one more strips, rectangle strips. Which color paper is this? Do you know? Green color. You can also use dark green. Okay. This paper is smaller than this paper. हमें इससे छोटा थोड़ा पतला पेपर करना है. ठीक है? Like this. Okay. This one is big and this one is small paper. Now we will make a roll like this. Okay, fold paper like this and make a roll, and we will stick. For that we will using here glue sticks. Okay, you can use Fevicol also like this. It becomes a roll. Okay, now we have to use one more roll. We have to make one more roll. Okay, this size. For that, like this. Now we are going to stick. First of all, we have to cut extra part, and then we will stick the end of the paper and stick it like this. Okay, now we will stick this part on big roll. We will stick small roll on the big roll. Okay, like this. Wow. Now what will we do? We will cut this part of its face. Okay, for that we need this extra part. Is too small, so we will draw a rectangle, a square. Okay, sorry, square part. First of all, we have to cut one square from this extra green paper, and then what will we do? We have to fold this part like this, and then we will fold this part and cut. Make a half circle like this. Okay. Now we will stick this part here like this. Yes. Looking beautiful now. Can you see? Wow. It becomes its face. Stick properly. Okay. Let's look at here. Now we will make eyes from white paper. This white paper. Okay. For that we have to make circle like this. Okay. Then we will make small black circle inside. Look at here. Now we will cut this paper. Now we will draw here one more eyes. Okay. Like this. And one more small circle inside the eye. Look at here. This is the eyes of frog. Okay. Now you will stick these eyes here. This part. Okay, like this. Can you see? Wow, it's looking very beautiful now. Look at here. Yes. Now what will we do? We will make its nose with the marker pen, black colors, and smiling face. For smiling face, we will make upward curve. Okay. Now what is remaining? Do you know? We are going to make its tongue. What is the color of tongue? Red color. For that we will use red color paper strips. Okay. Cut a rectangle strips like this and cut extra part. Now cut small curve from the edge and then fold like this and it becomes tongue. Wow. And what will we do? Now we will stick this tongue here. Look at here. Okay. अभी टंग बन गई उसकी. Now what will we make? Its legs and hand. What is remaining? Legs and hand. So for that we are going to take this green paper. We have to cut two rectangle strips from this paper and I am going to cut it in between, from between part, and then we have to cut this part in curve shape, half circle. Okay. like this. Can you see? Like this. And it becomes our legs and hand. Now we will stick its hand here. Okay, we will stick its hand here. Okay. Now we will stick its legs like this. It is hand. Now we will stick its legs. आपको पता है फ्रॉग कहाँ रहता है? वो लैंड पे भी रहता है और वाटर में भी रहता है. ओके. Like this. Now our frog is almost ready. Now what we are going to do? We will make we will draw this type of shape and cut. Okay, now what we are going to do, we will stick this frog on that shape. Okay, for that I will use here cello tape. Okay. You can use dual tape also. It becomes our frog. Wow, beautiful frog. देखो मस्त फ्रॉग है ना. ये आप लोग को भी बनाना है, ठीक है? ऐसा फ्रॉग बना के फोटो क्लिक करके टीचर को भेजना है. बनाओगे ना सब लोग? कोई कोई बच्चे बना रहे, कोई कोई नहीं बना रहे, सबको बनाना है. सो ओके, you all have to make this frog and send me a pic. Okay, then you can put it on at your home on furniture like this. डेकोरेटिव पीस के हिसाब से भी आप रख सकते हो. ओके, सो यू हैव टू मेक दिस फ्रॉग. मज़ा आया ना सबको फ्रॉग बनाने में? वेरी गुड. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, वन मोर थिंग. आपके पास वर्कशीट नंबर 6 नंबर की वर्कशीट है ना, तो आपको क्या करना है? व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ट्रेस दिस डॉट, this slanting line and slanting line and this slipping line and join the dot. You have to use pencil and then like this. First of all you have to trace this ice cream, then you have to fill color, pink color or brown color here, triangle part. And then what you have to do you know? You have to stick ice cream with cotton. This ice cream with cotton. You have to stick cotton. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? कॉटन स्टिक करना है. For that we need cotton and Fevicol. Spread Fevicol and stick cotton like this. लुक एट हियर, वाह यम्मी आइसक्रीम। ओके, आपको ये वर्कशीट ऐसे रेडी करनी है एंड फोटो क्लिक करके भेजना है। ओके, बाय बाय, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ।